There are two ways to do a Google search from selected text. The first one is you can use a Selection Search add-on in Firefox Browser. With this you can select text in any websites, then you can click the search button. And the translation or Google search results is completed. But the negative effect is your existing website will disappear. Most of the time you want to stay on your existing website. And then you want to repeat the translation or Google search from selected text. With Selection Search software you're able to stay on your existing website in Firefox Browser, and then you can get the translations or Google search results to the second browser. Google Chrome must be set as default browser. But there is more things you can do. The Selection Search function works now everywhere on your Windows system, in any programs, and works across different browsers. Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Iron. And if you want to use it, same as the Selection Search add-ons from Firefox. You can then simply go to the settings from Selection Search 1.0 software, disable the checkbox MultiBrowser, MultiBrowser, and you can get the translations and Google search results in the same browser. And you're able to do this in other browsers: Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Iron. The computer will automatic now where it can do the search.